Have you been using Kojic Acid or Turmeric Soap for weeks, or even months, but your dark spots still haven't faded? Your skin tone's uneven, maybe even more irritated, and you're wondering if the whole thing's a scam. Here's the truth. The soap isn't the problem. It's how you're using it. I made the same mistakes. My skin was angry, my wallet was sad, but once I fixed them, game changer. Today, I'll show you the 8 biggest mistakes people make with Kojic Acid and turmeric soaps, and how to fix them. Longer contact, better results. Leaving it for 3 to 5 minutes just irritates your skin. Keep it 20 to 40 seconds max, then rinse. Mistake number 2, skipping moisturizer. These soaps exfoliate. Your skin needs hydration right after. Apply a light, fragrance-free moisturizer within 1 to 2 minutes of rinsing. Mistake number 3, using too many actives. Kojic Acid plus Retinol plus Vitamin C plus exfoliating toner. That's skin barrier chaos. Stick to 1 or 2 actives at a time. Morning, soap plus Vitamin C plus sunscreen. Night, gentle cleanser plus retinol, not both. Mistake. Number 4, skipping sunscreen. Kojic Acid makes your skin sun-sensitive. No SPF, more dark spots. Use broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every single day, even indoors or on cloudy days. Mistake number 5, expecting overnight results. Skin renewal takes time. Real results show in 6 to 8 weeks, not 6 days. Take weekly photos to track progress, not daily mirror checks. Mistake number 6, using on freshly shaved skin. Never apply right after shaving or waxing. It'll sting and inflame. Wait 24 to 48 hours before use. Mistake number 7, using fake products. Counterfeits are everywhere. Buy only from official or verified sellers, and check that Kojic Acid and turmeric are actually listed. Mistake number 8, not patch testing. Always test first. Inner arm, 30 seconds. Rinse, wait 24 hours. Saves your skin from irritation or allergic reactions. These small mistakes make the biggest difference. 20 to 40 seconds max contact. Moisturize immediately. Limit actives, daily SPF. Be patient for 6 to 8 weeks. Patch test and use real products. Bright, even skin isn't about harsh routines. It's about consistent, gentle care. Fix these mistakes, trust the process, and your glow will come naturally. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone struggling with their Kojic Acid soap routine.